Okay, YouTube. Hello again, and today we will be looking at this mini powered speaker from the dollar store. So as you may know, you can buy a lot of, I guess, strange electronics at the dollar store. So looking at the box of this mini powered speaker, you can see that it delivers full, clear, high definition sound, 3.5mm audio input, works with smartphones, tablets, and MP3 players, and it requires 2 AAA batteries, not included. And it gives you some more warnings on the side: powered high definition sound, 2 AAA batteries, and 3.5mm audio cable not included. Interestingly, at the dollar store you can buy batteries as well as one of these cables, which is a 3.5mm audio cable. This one's sleeved, so it's kind of interesting. But let's open this up now. So you just open this up. Nothing really too exciting for the packaging. You get a fortune cookie roll or something, and then you can just look at this. So we have this switch to turn it on. You have your audio input port as well as a light to show if it's working, I guess. I have not used this before. So as it mentioned, you need, it's kind of hard to pull off, but you need 2 AAA batteries, so let's get those. So now we have 2 Energizer batteries, which we're going to put in here. These 2 batteries probably cost more than the device does itself, but we could just put them in here. And I have really bright lighting, but it does show a red LED right here to show that it's on. And yes, it is on. If you turn it off, it turns off. If you turn it on, it turns back on. Okay, let's try to play something. So we connect the audio jack, and let's get our phone. Alright, so once you have your phone, load up your favorite tunes, and then connect it to the audio port. We can turn up the volume. Let's turn it down just because it's an amplified speaker and we don't want to make it super loud. So here we go. And we are listening to it. I don't know if it's really that loud. Let's try to see if it would do anything if we turn the audio off. So nothing. Yep. It's not really that loud, but I guess it does appear to work. Let's try taking out the batteries and see if it works without the batteries. Yeah. So theoretically this would just passively pass through the audio, not amplify it at all. And let's see if it'll do this. No. So it appears you do need the batteries for this to work at all. And I mean, it does work, but it's really not much louder than your phone could already make the sound. Most phones have louder speakers than this does. So let's compare that to the sound from the phone. The phone is already much louder already, as you can tell. And this isn't even at full volume of the phone. Even if you have this speaker at the full volume of the phone, it is still quieter than the phone at the full volume, or even half the volume of the phone. So yes, this does work, not very well, and I guess if you have a device that does not have its built-in speakers, this would work okay for you, but anything with built-in speakers will be much louder than this, as well as once you include the fact that though this device is $1, the batteries and the audio cable cost maybe another $2. So really you're looking at a $3 speaker, which gives you inferior quality to the sound of the phone. So I wouldn't really recommend this unless you had a specific application where something like this, and specifically this, would be useful. Otherwise you're better off using PC speakers that you can just find anywhere.